Have you ever felt that your piano improvisations are emotional, but something is still missing? That restless movement, that inner tension? In this video, I'll show you how to create deep, moving piano improvisations using arpeggios in both hands at the same time. We'll do this in 3 simple steps. The third step is special. So I'll play a short demonstration so you can hear where we are going. The harmonic foundation is very simple. We'll use just 4 chords: D minor, G minor, D minor and C major. So let's go to step 2. Both hands play the same chord inversion. Here's the progression: D minor, second inversion, G minor, first inversion, D minor, second inversion again, and C major, second inversion. When both hands share the same shape, the sound becomes focused, intimate and emotional. Let me play this again using arpeggios. Before we go on, a quick note. If you want to dive deeper into the art of improvisation, I've prepared a free guide called 10 Secrets to Improvisation. You'll find the link in the description below. It will help you a lot on your journey. So let's go to step 2. We add chord extensions in the left hand. The right hand stays simple, but the left hand introduces tension. Extensions create friction, and friction creates emotion. Have a listen. D minor, left hand with a 9. G minor, left hand with a 9. Back to D minor, left hand with a 9. And then C major, but in the left hand the 4. This voicing, very nice, very modern, very deep. Let's play it with arpeggios. This is where the music starts to feel restless and unstable. Let's go to step 3. This is a special one. Let's create rhythmic tension. The music has a 6/8 feel, flowing almost like waves, but the left hand plays 4-note arpeggios against it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play it in the 6/8 feeling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With a G minor and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put both hands together. The rhythm never fully align, and that creates constant inner motion. So take your time and practice slowly. Or let's improvise using both hand arpeggios. Let's use variations of chords and voicings, and let's add melodies. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. Subscribe for more deep piano improvisation tutorials and don't forget to download the free guide 10 steps and secrets to improvisation. A link is below. In the next video we'll focus on building epic melodies. See you there.